semester, degree, course, farm.
Physics was my hardest subject.
Was.
I didn't fail the test. Fail. Fall. Fail.
We studied hard this sem chemistry.
How was the semester? Yes, we spoke yesterday. Spoke. The professor was kind when I spoke to him.
Physics is my
Least.
Physics is my least favorite subject.
This semester was the worst. It's true that physics is a hard subject for many students, but I also had a terrible professor. How about you?
Never.
Huh?
Anything.
The whole semester.
My exams this semester were really hard. Suggest semester.
We studied hard this semester. How? Was. Your physics class.
Look up. Farm. Physics.
Turn in.
Don't worry, Kim. I spoke with our professor. We're not going to fail the exam. He says the exam will be easier than the one last semester. Never up.